this is how the guy became who he is today. If you're loyal, you need to stay loyal to the end. Prostrate for your oga, respect, be loyal. Be loyal. Same issue. That's the same thing that's happening in River State. Wike and the other man. And once you're walking away, you see the next person you decide to marry. You know, walk again, go. See another one, marry. You know, walk again, go. You can marry 50 times.
I feel like it's better to.
Nobody fear anything.
I don't know much about what transpired between him and his wife, but I know I recently saw, I don't know if it was on Instagram or Facebook, I saw where he shared a receipt of the money he paid to her family because of for her being a virgin. That's what I heard. So he said he married her a virgin. So for marrying her a virgin, he paid an extra 1 million naira.
Okay.
Wow.
To the family. Yeah, I saw this.
Virgin they cost though.
Paid an extra 1 million naira, and so I think he's asking for a refund.
Oh wow.
And not for the fact that she's not a virgin, but for the fact that the marriage is no longer. And he said he also said that Davido cancelled a show that was worth 150 million naira so he could attend their wedding, which was, I think it was in Ibadan, if I'm not mistaken. I think that was where the wedding. Sure. So basically, I don't know.
It's actually very possible. I tell a lot of people something about marriage. You can't really understand if you're outside. You can't tell the problem between a man and a woman.
Yeah, you can basically see what they show you.
It's just what they show you. That you don't know what's going on inside.
Yes.
It's possible they discussed this and decided, look, let's bring this out so we can trend. Everywhere is quiet. Let's see how we can. It's very possible. It's still possible they are going through issues.
Yeah.
You know, but I heard the whole. What I'm actually interested in is the point where they talked about him. I think she was saying that he's being too loyal to his boss, and then she's having issues with that, you know, and all that, and for me, I mean, with due respect, I think that's crap. For me, I think that's crap because, I mean, come on, this is how the guy became who he is today.
I mean, you knew this person as this person.
What are we talking about? I'm very big on loyalty. If you're loyal, you need to stay loyal to the end. We're going up, we go up together. We're going down together. That's how it should be.
Okay, but the issue, him being too loyal to his boss, does it have anything to do with his commitment to the marriage? Is it that it stops him from being there when he has to be there, or he comes back late, or he has to travel a certain place with the video and he's not available when she meets him?
A man has to do what a man has to do. The man has to move around and make money. Prostrate for your oga, respect, be loyal. Be loyal. Same issue. That's the same thing that's happening in River State. Wike and the other man.
well, me personally, I feel it's just something to trend with, as far as I'm concerned. I don't think
the loyalty thing, the prostrating.
No. The whole Israel
the whole
and his wife.
Breakup issue.
Well, I think it's just something they're using to trend. Because personally, I don't feel it's an issue. But she said she's done.
I saw a comment where I feel like I saw a lot of comments actually, not just one comment. Everybody seems to be concerned about the fact that she's living a marriage after so much money has been spent on the wedding. I think Israel is even getting DMs of people girls telling they want to marry him.
Yeah, marry all of them.
Marry them.
For me, marriage is not a do or die thing. No, keep yourself. It could work. If you see it's not working, walk away. You know, respectfully. You don't have to hurt each other.
There don't have to be any issue.
Really. This person is trying to hurt this person. This one is trying to. No, you don't need all that. Walk away.
Unnecessary. Me, I always say that.
And then once you're walking away, you see the next person you decide to marry. You know, walk again, go. See another one, marry. You know, walk again, go. You can marry 50 times.
I feel like it's better to.
Nobody fear anything.
Not rush into marriage. Yeah.
You can't control how people react towards you.
You can't actually.
So what makes me happy is different from what's going to make you happy. What's going to make you happy? Okay, and don't let anybody tell you do this and it will be good for you. No, find out what works for you.
Sure.
And if you decide in this life that you will not marry till you die, please don't be happy.
We are not even sure Don Jazz is going to get married at this point. So that's somebody
he's waiting for Rihanna. He's waiting for Rihanna to break up.
Oh wow!
It's possible he's going to have the fourth child for Don Jazz. It's possible. Things happen.